Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Hammer Blade 3 device, and I'm gonna show you how to make first setup on this device. So, firstly, you need to choose the language you want to use and click Start. Click Skip and choose Setup Offline. Then click Continue. Next. Scroll down, click Accept. On this step, you can create the screen lock password, but I will skip this step right now because I don't want to use screen lock password on this device. And great. Now you just need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So open the Wi-Fi settings, enable the Wi-Fi, choose the network you want to connect. Go back. Now open the Play Store, click Sign In. And great, so now you just need to enter your email. Click Next. Then enter your password. Click Next again. I will use this device, click Next, I agree. Now wait a while and then we need to enable basic device backup if you want to backup your basic information, for example contacts, Wi-Fi passwords, SMS and other basic information. Click Accept if you want to backup. If you don't want, so just disable this feature. And great, as you can see, Play Store is working now. So now open the control panel and choose Finish Setup. Click Start. Skip if you have this message about connection to the mobile network. If you have inserted the SIM card, so you will not see this message. Then choose Don't Copy if you don't want to copy information and data from all device. If you want, so just copy this info. Scroll down, choose your favorite search engine. Now you can set up your screen lock. I will skip this step again. Now you can enable the Google Assistant. I don't want to use Google Assistant on this device because Google Assistant consumes a lot of RAM and I don't want to use my RAM to my Google Assistant works. So click Skip, for example. No thanks. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.